Hello dear students, welcome back to my science class. Today we are going to continue with the chapter Nutrition in Animals. And already in our previous chapters we have discussed about the structure and function of alimentary canal of human digestive system. Today we are going to learn about digestive glands. What are the three main digestive glands that are present in human digestive system? Salivary gland, liver and pancreas. So today we are going to learn about these digestive glands. So let's get going. First of all, salivary gland. The salivary gland in human are exocrine gland that produce saliva through a system of ducts. Now this is the definition of exocrine gland. You might thinking that what is exocrine gland? Exocrine glands are those that produce saliva through a system of ducts. Human have 3 paired salivary glands. So total 6 salivary glands, 3 pairs of salivary gland. Parotid glands, 1 pair of parotid gland, 1 pair of submandibular gland and 1 pair of sublingual gland. Here you can see parotid gland, then submandibular gland and sublingual gland. These are the position of the 3 pairs of salivary gland. Now what's the function? Function is the enzyme secreted by salivary gland is known as salivary amylase or ptyalin, which breaks down starch into maltose and glucose. So simply ptyalin does what? It convert the complex carbohydrates into simple carbohydrate, right? That's the function of ptyalin, which is also known as salivary amylase. So this is all about the salivary gland. 3 pairs of salivary glands are there. Next is liver. The liver is the largest digestive organ that produces bile, which helps the breakdown of fat. The gallbladder, a small pouch that sits just under the liver, okay, that stores bile produced by liver, which afterwards move to the small intestine to complete digestion. So what's the function of the liver? Its function is it produces bile. That bile stored into the gallbladder, and when required it goes to the small intestine to take part into the action of digestion. If you take a look at the diagram, you can see how human liver look like. It has 2 lobes, right lobe and left lobe. You can see the position of the liver in human digestive system as well. So now what's the function of bile? Bile helps in digestion of fats by breaking them down into tiny particles. The digestive juice then further breaks down into fatty acid and glycerol. This process is called emulsification of fat. So simply function of liver is to break down complex fat molecules into smaller particles to help them in easy digestion. Okay. Next is pancreas. You can see the leaf-like structure is the pancreas. There is something very important to know about pancreas. What are those? The pancreas is an organ of the digestive system and endocrine system of human. In human, it is located in the abdomen below the stomach and function as a gland. The pancreas is a mixed gland or heterocrine gland. Why? Because it has both endocrine and exocrine function. Just now we seen that salivary gland is having exocrine function because it can release saliva through a duct. Pancreas, it is known as mixed gland because it is having both exocrine and endocrine function. What is that? As a part of digestive system, it function as endocrine gland is secrete pancreatic juice. This pancreatic juice is secreted into the duodenum through pancreatic duct. You can follow the diagram, see that this is the pancreatic duct that is ultimately pouring pancreatic juice into the duodenum, which is the part of small intestine we already know, right? So, into the duodenum through the pancreatic duct. This juice neutralizes the acid entering into the duodenum from the stomach. Now please understand that stomach contains hydrochloric acid. So food coming from the stomach is acidic, right? Pancreatic juice neutralizes that acidity so that the enzymes that are present in the small intestine can work properly. Okay. And digestive enzymes are present which break down carbohydrate, protein and fats in the food entering the duodenum from the stomach. So that's the function of the pancreas. It pour pancreatic juice. This pancreatic juice, what it do? It actually neutralizes the acidity of the food that is coming from the stomach, and also pancreatic juice helps in the digestion of the food along with the intestinal enzymes. So these three digestive glands play a very important role in digestion of the human being. I hope you have understood the concept. Now it's a time to take a quick quiz. So coming question number 1, how many salivary glands are present in human being? Quickly write down your answer in the comment section. I think already you have written your answer. So let's move to the next. Name the enzymes secreted by salivary gland. Which enzyme secreted by salivary gland? Quickly write it down. Next question. Name the organ that secretes bile. It will just take fraction of seconds to write down the answer. So quickly write your answer. Next, name the organ which stores bile. Which organ stores bile? I know you all have written the answer. So moving to the next one. Name the mixed gland in our body. Questions are really easy, so answer it quickly. And the last one for the day is, name the part of the alimentary canal where the digestion of food is completed. I repeat, name the part of the alimentary canal where the digestion of food is completed. I hope by this time you all have written the answers. So, thank you.